In today's video, we are going to unbox a best-in-class streaming device, LiveU Solo. Let's get started.
Gadgets Pod. Exploring technology.
The LiveU Solo family of video encoders offers one-touch, wireless live streaming directly from your camera to popular online platforms and any web destination. You will enjoy superior live video quality and reliability with bonded 4G, 5G streaming. We'll learn more about LiveU, but let's unbox this cool little gadget first. Why you need a LiveU Solo live streaming solution? Start streaming within seconds. Deliver rock-solid reliable videos. Stream live from anywhere. Easily select your online destination. Stream like a pro for an affordable price. LiveU offers limited warranty for hardware for a period of 12 months commencing upon the date of delivery of such hardware, and for software for a period of 90 days commencing upon the date of delivery of such software to you. For more details, read the warranty document. Here we have some LiveU branding stickers which you may or may not use. It also includes a quick start guide to set up your LiveU Solo and go live. Awesome! Here we have a first look on our LiveU Solo. Before getting our LiveU Solo unit out, let's first see what else is in the box. It also includes LiveU Solo belt pack to protect your unit and make it easy to carry and operate. It comes with a belt clip and convenient elastic straps for holding two cellular modems. It includes a cable that goes with the power adapter. There is a full-size HDMI cable included in the box. LiveU Solo unit has battery backup of up to 2 hours. In the box, it has a power cable and 12 volts 3 amp AC/DC adapter to charge your unit on the go. It also has an additional belt clip for the LiveU Solo belt pack. It includes two USB 2.0 data interface cable to connect two USB modems for data network and cellular bonding. Now let's bring out the main LiveU Solo unit. It has a total weight of 518 grams with dimensions of 95 mm by 132 mm by 43 mm. On one side, it has DC power input along with Ethernet port for internet and a USB 2.0 for data interface. On the front, it has an LCD screen, a joystick button to navigate in between the menu options, and a power button. On the other side, it has a HDMI input, micro SD card input slot for video recording, headphone out, and a USB 2.0 for data interface. It also has a factory reset pinhole, which is located right below the HDMI port. On the back side, it has fan ventilation holes to keep the unit cool during encoding and upload. LiveU Solo has a compact form factor that makes it easy to carry and operate. The light and compact Solo is perfectly suited for any type of mobile use, allowing you to stream live video from anywhere. Here we had placed it along an iPhone and spectacles to see how compact this device is. Now let's see how it fits inside the LiveU belt pack. We will place the LiveU Solo unit inside the pouch. We need to make sure that it goes inside the pouch with the LiveU branding on the top side as of the belt pouch. Fasten the Velcro given on the front of the pouch to save our unit accidentally slipping out of the pouch. For network bonding, you may need to buy network-supported modems separately. Different countries have different supported modems. The list of the same is given in the description of this video. We are using Huawei E3276 USB modems here in India. The purchase link is below in the description as well. In our next video, we will do a detailed demonstration on the settings and working of LiveU Solo. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do that now so that you will get regular updates on our new videos. Namaste.
Gadgets Pod. Exploring technology.